Hi everyone, today we're going to introduce the WaveRunner 8000 oscilloscope. The WaveRunner 8000 oscilloscopes offer bandwidth from 500 MHz to 4 GHz, which deliver an extensive toolbox coupled with a superior user experience to expedite solving debug problems. The standard collection of math, measurement, debug, and documentation tools provides unsurpassed analysis capabilities. WaveRunner 8000 marks the debut of the next generation MAUI, most advanced user interface, bringing enhancements to the oscilloscope industry's premier UI. The addition of One Touch to MAUI makes measurement setup insanely easy, providing users dramatically faster time to insight into complex signal abnormalities. With an industry-leading sample rate of 40 gigasamples per second, WaveRunner 8000 M models enable detailed edge reconstruction even for signals with the fastest rise times. The MS mixed signal models include 16 digital channels with a sample rate of 1.25 gigasamples per second, which could be used for trigger, decode, and measurements for analyzing timing irregularities or for general-purpose debug of digital designs.